There we go. Tension right there. Yeah, that's all that's it. Welcome back, guys and girls. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a screen door on a, well, the screen part on a glass door if you have one. Most glass doors have screen parts like this. Like this when the screen's in it and just the metal thing holding on. Mine is ripped like this. The corner come out of the little black things. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. Tools you'll need, most important tools are of course your door, some more screening. I got the extra strength because I have kids, some scissors to cut it, or this, or a razor knife, some extra splining, that's the little black stuff, and then one of these is nice to have. So I'm gonna get right into it. First thing I'm gonna do is take the old stuff off. Throw that off to the side right now. You won't need that no more. Just throw this away for right now because it's real light. It'll blow away at the wind. Now that we got this, I'm actually going to show you. This is technically how it goes in my door. Yeah, this is technically how it goes in my door. This is a 36-inch by 84-inch roll. They sell ones that are bigger. This is the smallest roll they have. Besides, I mean, they have rolls that are like really short, but this is the smallest roll, you know, lengthwise as I could get it. So it's like, I think $10 at your hardware store. This is like it's like $15 altogether. 15, maybe $20 altogether. It's not bad at all. Super simple to install. I just hope this is the right size. I don't know. I didn't measure it before I left, so I hope it's the right size. It looks like it is. We'll find out. You can always get a bigger size, I reckon. And then it's got grooves on there. Grooves in there, just once you push it in so far, it holds it in. But let's go ahead and get this open and get this measured out, and I'll show you how to do it. You have to cut a lot off the excess. Just don't worry about measuring everything out. You're gonna have to cut off anyways. Just measure it out about 2 inches, 2.5 inches over each side. Try to cut as straight as line as you can. It don't really matter because once you get it in the grooves, you're gonna cut the excess off anyways. You're done with this. Once you got that measured out, you won't need this no more. So if you want, just go ahead and fit this back in the sleeve. Mom! There's that. Now you're gonna, when you get your spline or your black tubing out, I think this is actually bigger, which is a good thing. If it fits, if it's bigger, it's fine. It should still fit. You do a trial run right here. This is what this little doohickeys for. Most of you know, most if you don't know, it's got a groove at this end, and it's got a point at this end. The groove is, of course, for this stuff. Put it in the groove and just slide it down. Yep, good to go. I'm going to take this out. I don't know how much I'm going to need, so I'm just going to throw out a lot, or take it a lot, and if I have excess, I'm just going to cut it off.
And you want to start at corner. Corner's the best place to start. And just do this the whole way. Got it? This should cancel the top. Got it the whole way.
Okay, it's good for the most part. I'm gonna add, like I said, a couple inches right here, just to add a little bit.
Dad.
Hang on. Then just once you get that done, go around the whole door again. Make sure everything's snug. Fits right in the creases. Once that's done, take your razor blade knife, your razor knife, whatever you want to call it, and just cut wherever you want to cut.
Give me that.
I'm gonna cut just on the inside of the outer lip.
Go get your toys. Where's the other part that goes to your car? The other part that goes to your car? Yeah.
Just once you got the excess cut off, you're done. Just gotta put it back. Mine just so happens to be held in with screws. So that's the aftermarket. That's the after product. Nice and tight. There's a few places over here that's bubbled up, but the rest of it's nice and tight, just how you want it. And this is the extra strength version of it. So you can, there's different versions. There's pets. There's small. There's bugs. Standard. This is the extra. Huh? This is the extra virgin, childproof version, if you call it. And then this one is just the standard spline. So if you found this video helpful, drop a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay safe, love y'all, and take care.